No record found. No record found. I want to display a message or I want to render the data. So how can I do that one? So what will be the query set? Let me print the query set. Print data. Okay. Observe the terminal, everyone. I am searching for cake. See, the query set is empty. The query set is empty. So cake is not present in the course or the name. So what I am able to get, the filter is going to return a empty query set. So when it is returning a empty query set, I am going to make use of a method exists. I am going to make use of a method exists, which will check whether the data, whether the object instances are present in the query set or not. If the data is present, if the object instances are present inside the query set, it is going to return true. If it is not present, it is going to return me false. It is going to return me true if the query set, if data is present in the query set. For example, Django, it is present. So what it is going to return me? It is going to return me true. Cake, is it present? Do I have cake? No. Cake is not present. So it is going to return false. Cake is not present, so it is returning me false. Data.exists, what it is doing? It is going to check whether the data is present in the query set or not. If data is present, it is returning true. If data is not present, it is going to return false. Now what I need to do, if data is not present, if data is not present, what data.exist is returning? It is returning false. So if data dot exists, so exists, if data is present, it is going to return false. I am going to give not. So not of false, what it is going to return me? Not of false, what it is going to return me, everyone? Not of false. Not of false, what it is going to return me, everyone? Yes, now Jyot, it is going to return true. If true, the if block will get executed. Inside the if block, what I can do? I can tell return render request comma home.html, return render request comma home.html, message data not found, request comma home.html. I am passing a context message data not found. Now I will go to my models dot where is that home.html. Here I am going to just display message. With the help of variable detail tag, I am going to display the message. Check everyone. I am able to get data not found message. I am able to get data not found message. When I search for Django, I am able to get all the records. If I search for cake, I am going to get data not found. It is working fine. So what I am doing, I am making use of my exists method, which will return me true if the data is present. If the data is not present, it is going to return false. So not of true, it is going to return me, not of false, it is going to return me true. Whenever the if condition is becoming true, I am going to return the response, that is return home.html, and for my home.html I am passing this data, the context I am passing, which is a dictionary with key MSG and the data not found. So whenever I use this key, I am able to get that message data not found. Can we show the search data in the message map? Yes, you can show data not found. After that, you need to store that particular thing. It is present in the queue variable, right? Okay, I am passing one more queue. Let me pass queue is to queue. Where is that home.html? Let me show it over here. Queue. Let me remove data over there. Queue not found. Not found. Not found. Yeah, cake not found. Let me give a space over here. Let me search for something. See, iPhone not found. Django is Django records. Yes, I am able to do that, Rishikant. Just I am sending both the things, the message as well as the what the user is searching for. Both the things I am sending it through the context. contact counselors, you need to take the counselor permission, Devnath. Then they will provide you with the link. You need to talk with them and take the permission. Is it done, everyone? Views.py file. Yes, Ranjan, share the screen. 7 to 9, morning, 7 to 9 batch. M23, the batch code is M23.